Hello students, today we'll be starting with the first chapter of your supplementary reader, An Alien Hand. Now the first chapter is The Tiny Teacher. You can obviously see the pictures and understand that we are talking about ants. Now an ant is the tiniest but the wisest of all insects. It is very intelligent and hardworking. And the story of an ant's life is difficult to believe. But those people who have observed the behavior of ants closely, they know a number of surprising facts about them. Ants can talk among themselves, and an ant talks to other ants by touching their feelers to pass messages. There are many kinds of ants, among which the black and the red ones are the most common. Ants live in nests, or you can call them anthills, just below the surface of the soil. An anthill has several rooms and passages. The queen ant lays eggs in some of these rooms, while some others are nurseries for the young ones. These are separate quarters for work. There are separate quarters for workers and barracks for soldiers. Ants live in peace and harmony. They do their own work and never fight with each other. Now, the queen ant is the mother of the entire population of the ant colony. She has a pair of wings. With the help of her wings, she goes out to meet a male ant, or that male ant is called a drone. High up in the sky on a hot summer day. This is called her wedding flight. After coming back, she bites off her wings and begins to lay eggs. Eggs hatch and become grubs. In 2 or 3 weeks, grubs change into cocoons. And finally, the cocoons break after a wait of more than 3 weeks, and perfect ants come out. Now, the new ants learn their duties from the old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. They also keep pets in their anthill. Insects like beetles and lesser breeds of ants and the green fly, they are allowed to live in the anthill because they give off pleasant smell and sweet juices. The green fly is the ant's cow. It gives honeydew when milked by ants. Man has learned as much as ants have, but he hasn't used his learning in the right manner. He still has to learn many things from ants, like hard work, sense of duty and discipline, and especially loyalty to the motherland. And that is why ants are called tiny teachers. So in short, I have given you the gist of the chapter. As you can see, the question answers that are given on page number 5. The answer of the first question is, a grub takes 5 to 6 weeks to become a complete ant. The second, third and fourth questions you can find easily in the chapters if you go through, because I have marked them on the pages. Like you can see on page number 4, I have marked answer number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then the answer of the fifth question is also written over there. In the exercises, question number 1, the first part, the problems which we are likely to face if you keep ants as pets. The major problems are that they are too tiny. Sometimes you will not be able to see where they are going. where they are. Then second problem may be they may bite. You may write down the third problem that they may eat or destroy the eatables, vegetables, fruits, anything that's sweet, especially sugar. And because lizards eat ants, lizards may also increase in your home if you keep ants as pets. Then the second question, I'm reading the second part. Can you guess what ants communicate to their fellow ants by teaching others feelers? I feel what they communicate is they must be greeting each other, or they may be informing the location of food. And this communication is very quick among the ants. So this much is needed to be done in the chapter. You need to attempt the 5 questions and the 2 questions given in the exercise. That's all.